Antarctica, the world's southernmost continent, is a place of extremes, mystery, and unparalleled beauty. Imagine a land so cold that for months at a time, the sun refuses to rise, leaving the continent in darkness, pierced only by the glow of the aurora. Covering nearly 98% of its surface with ice, Antarctica holds around 90% of the planet's freshwater, making it an icy reservoir that regulates global climate. The continent is divided into two main regions: East Antarctica, a vast expanse of thick, stable ice resting on ancient bedrock, and West Antarctica, a thinner, more unstable ice sheet vulnerable to melting and climate shifts. At its northernmost tip, the Antarctic Peninsula stretches towards South America, one of the fastest warming places on Earth, hosting a string of research stations and serving as a bridge between human exploration and nature's raw forces. Scattered around the continent are islands like South Georgia, Elephant Island, and Joinville, historically critical for explorers like Shackleton, offering both refuge and a gateway to one of the harshest environments on Earth. The ice sheets of Antarctica are a study in power and patience. Some regions, particularly East Antarctica, hold ice layers over 4,500 meters thick, formed over millennia as snow gradually compressed into dense ice. These glaciers slowly flow toward the coast, feeding enormous ice shelves that float on the surrounding seas. Glaciers and ice shelves are not merely frozen landscapes, they are active components of Earth's climate system, controlling sea levels and influencing ocean currents. The continent's climate is unforgiving, with winter temperatures dropping below -50 degrees Celsius on the plateau and coastal regions slightly milder. The combination of katabatic winds, blizzards, and long polar nights creates a hostile environment where survival demands precision, resilience, and innovation. Scientists continue to study these climatic patterns, especially in the Antarctic Peninsula, where warming trends are causing rapid ice melt and glacial retreat, signaling warning signs for the planet. Icebergs and ice shelves tell another story of Antarctica's dynamic nature. Icebergs cap from glaciers and float into the surrounding oceans, some massive enough to tower over buildings. The Weddell Sea, a region locked by dense sea ice, famously trapped Shackleton's Endurance, demonstrating the lethal power of Antarctic ice. Ice shelves, while visually serene, are delicate. Collapses like Larsen B in 2002 showed how quickly ice can disintegrate, contributing to rising sea levels. Antarctica's ice interacts intricately with the ocean, affecting salinity, temperature, and currents far beyond its icy borders. Human interaction with this continent has evolved from daring early expeditions into a structured program of scientific exploration. Today, stations like McMurdo, Palomar, and Amundsen-Scott South Pole Station allow researchers to monitor climate, study ice cores, and understand the geological history of this frozen world. Through these studies, Antarctica has emerged not just as a land of ice, but as a critical player in the story of Earth's climate, oceans, and the survival of ecosystems around the globe.